Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shannon, aka Cheetah Mommy, aka Cheetah Mamita. You can follow me on Instagram at Cheetah Mommy. This channel is going to be built off of home decor, decor in general, self-care, maintenance, beauty, lifestyle, motherhood. You know, I'm just going to incorporate a little bit of everything. That is the niche, and if you're interested in all those things, please don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button because a lot more videos are to come. This is not my first YouTube channel. I have another YouTube channel and I mostly do reviews. So I wanted to create something more for the stuff that I love to do, which is obviously shopping and decorating my home and doing makeup, whatever the case is. You guys get it. So yeah, today I plan on going to Target, Forever 21, taking Instagram pictures. I will take you guys along with me for that. My camera just like died. So let's just go because I'm ready to go shopping, and it's already like 11 o'clock, which is insane because I woke up at probably 6:45 this morning. I don't like procrastinating. I like to get my day going. So let's just get this show on the road. If you're interested in seeing me browse and buy stuff, just keep watching. Okay, so I was not too impressed with this Forever 21 visit. I saw a few cute things like these graphic tees. I actually did pick one up. You will see it on my Instagram. Because I literally just went to Forever 21 just to find an outfit to match my shoes because my Fashion Nova order got lost. So I had to find something to match my shoes. But yeah, wasn't too impressed. I just wasn't getting the vibe. It's sometimes hit or miss with Forever 21, but their Hello Kitty stuff is on sale, you guys. A lot of their stuff is, I think, marked down to $15. Like stuff that's $25 is now $15. Like these knitted shorts, which were really cute. I think these were actually $30, and like they're on sale for half off, which is crazy. So if you love Hello Kitty like I do, come to Forever 21. Everything's on sale. Okay, so you guys, I'm checking out some things here at Target, like this beautiful wreath and these little signs. I love that sign. I just have nowhere to put it. And these bells really caught my eye. I just love the texture and the neutral colors of them. I have nowhere to put those. I have to think about it. I don't really know where I'd incorporate that into my decor. But this little mirror also caught my eye. I could have used that. I didn't want that light wash. I'm really into like a darker wash, which I know I could do myself, but hey. I'm just checking out these wreaths. I really like this wreath, but again, I'm like, where do I put that? But when I came home, I'm like, I could put that on my door in my hallway, so I might go back and pick it up. And I'm just checking out all their marble and stone abstract pieces, like this little chain link. I thought that was cute. they have this little arch, marble arch. I don't know what that is really for, just a little heavy decor piece. And I keep going back to that wreath, see? It was really pink in person, like a peachy pink, and I just really loved that. Some candles, some little pillows. I really liked the green pillow, very spring. This pillow caught my eye too. I love that texture. Love that for me and for you guys. Okay, so moving on, here's an outdoor floor mat I thought was so cute. It says do good, be good. I actually need one, so I might go back and grab that. Some pottery up here. These boxes caught my eye. I really enjoy those neutral tones. This is by Threshold, inspired by Studio McGee, for $25. You could really dress those up by putting like beads like this inside of it. Like open it up, put the beads inside, a candle, whatever. That might be really cute. These were so heavy. So heavy, like a lot, like 5 pounds or more. And moving on, some baskets. Down below I found a dried lavender wreath, which is so beautiful for the spring. I can't decide if I want to go back and get that one or the peach one. You guys comment down below which one I should go back and grab. Alright guys, so now we're moving on to the good stuff. This is like their Easter / spring setup. A lot of bunny stuff, a lot of spring floral stuff. So this throw caught my eye. I love navy blue for spring. I almost put it in my cart, but then I put it back. I had just bought a throw, so that's probably why. I kind of second guessed it. This was $30. Gold bunnies, super cute. These wicker baskets that are shaped like eggs. Love those. And the wicker bunnies, mad cute. Those are at Home Goods as well in different like positions. This gray and white bunny pillow I actually really love. I'm not too into like setting up my whole decor with like bunny stuff, but a lot of you guys are, so I'm just showing you. So I had to show you guys what I stumbled upon here. Super Easter vibes. These little cake stands in pink, yellow, and blue. These are obviously giving Easter for $3. These little flower bowls were also so cute. This orange one caught my eye. Pastel is the color for spring. If you didn't know that, now you know. Those were $3 as well. Everything on this shelf here is $3. So I found another section with the Easter vibes. This Target I'm not familiar with. Everything was like all over the place. But these little bowls, I have that green one, love. They have the pink ones, and I just stack them on my tiered trays. They're like the perfect size. We have a bunny plate with some flowers with it. Love that. Here I am stacking the pink bowl so you can see. And y'all, I'm gonna be honest, the reason I came to this Target that I'm not familiar with is because of their beauty setup. This setup reminds me of Ulta for sure. Everything's so organized and just put together so nicely. So yeah, here's a little glimpse of their beauty section, their hair care and whatnot. I'm just browsing at this point. I don't have any intentions on picking up anything from the hair care section. There I am. Yep, just minding my business, recording everything. I'm going to actually show you guys what I did end up picking up, which I can't resist, which is skincare. So moving on to their skincare section. So I feel like you guys would appreciate a mini hack here. I just filled a ceramic bowl with water and slices of lemon. This is going to clean your microwave if you need it. I clean mine like every other day, so I just want to show you guys. Put it on 3 minutes. That will do the job for the cleaning, and then you wipe it down afterwards. If you want a steam facial, put it on for like 8 minutes and put your face in front of it and stir it up. It's official. It's a facial. It's a mini steam facial. Officially. Okay, so while our water is heating up in the microwave, I'm going to make my detox drink. I drink this almost every day. I'll say every other. I'm going to show you here in a second what it actually consists of, but I'm just putting my ice in. Yeah, so here is the drink. It has lemon, cinnamon, and honey, and obviously apple cider vinegar. It's nasty AF, but it works. They recommend you drink it day and night, and it's too strong to do that, so I just like that one bottle will last me a few days. I'll add lemon of my own, and I'll fill it up probably twice with water and just chug it, and that'll be my breakfast. Alright you guys, so obviously I have relocated to my bathroom. It's time to take off these face masks. I do have on two. The one on my chest was gold. You probably could not see it on camera. And obviously the one on my face. When I do a face mask, I like to do my whole face, obviously, and my neck and my chest. I ran out of the one on my face, so I couldn't bring it down on my chest, so I just used a different one that I had. They're both from Walmart, and I will link them both down below in the description box. So yeah, here I am just taking off the mask, blah 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 blah. And I really want to show you guys the steam facial at the end of this clip. There was no steam because I only had it in for 3 minutes, so I highly recommend doing like 8 to 10 minutes for a high steam facial. And I did off camera, but you're gonna see me like, why is there no steam? I don't know, maybe because I didn't put it in for long enough. So okay, so my kids wanted cereal for breakfast, and it is Sunday, so I said, why the hell not? Let's just eat some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Give them what they want, right? Everybody's happy. Here, I forgot I recorded myself actually with the hot steam, and it's giving, and it's doing what it's supposed to. Hey guys, so I decided to sit down in front of the camera to show you guys what I got really quick. I just finished my skincare. As you can see, my face might look a little greasy, but it's not. It's just my like moisturizer and stuff. So yeah, I went to Target yesterday. You guys saw that. At Forever 21, I ended up getting one outfit, and I'm not gonna really show you guys that right now, but I did take pictures yesterday. Didn't vlog that because it was really hectic. It was like all day too, and I was just like not having it. I was annoyed. If you do want to see my pictures that I took yesterday, just follow me on Instagram. Everything will be linked below. Obviously went to Target. You guys saw me put a few things in my cart. I actually ended up getting like 5 or 6 things, not much. You guys did see me pick out a few face masks. I love the Target that I went to because their beauty section is kind of set up how Ulta is set up. So it's like super organized, like super new stuff, and like categorized really well. One is a cooling avocado clay mask, and one is a relaxing lavender mud mask, and they're both by Q Bella or K Bella. And I really like mud and clay masks because I don't know, they feel good going on the skin. They feel good rinsing off. I don't like peel masks, like peel off masks. Hate those. I hate gel masks. I hate like glitter masks. Like I hate all that. These are the only 2 types of masks that I do enjoy, so I will probably be using them tomorrow. I use a mask like almost every day. It's kind of a problem, but as you guys saw, I already used a mask today. So yeah, I got 2 masks. In the home section, there's an issue because I realized that I go to Target too much, and everything that they have, I already have. Like the stuff that I want from Target, I already got. But I did see a couple things that I don't have. So recently I've been like obsessed with like cloches, and I really want a small like mini one, but I ended up finding this really big like oversized cloche without a bottom, which I really like, because the idea that I had was to put it on top of like a stack of plates with like maybe something Eastery inside. I don't know, but I got the idea from somebody here on YouTube. This one was $7.99 from the brand Threshold. The other thing I got from the home decor section was this big bouquet of flowers. I don't know why I picked this out, but it just like, you know when you see something you're like, I just have to have that. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Probably set it up in my fireplace arrangement when I get to it, but I don't know why, but like it just like, it was just saying like buy me, literally a bouquet of flowers. Like, how could you not want that? And then the last thing I got from Target was these little gold hoop earrings. What I really liked about these is they have like this little clasp detail on like the bottom of them. I don't know if you guys can see that. So basically that's all I got from Target, you guys. Like I said, I didn't buy that many things. They didn't really have things that I was interested in that I don't already have. I'm trying to work on my fireplace decor and just decor in my living room in general. And nothing really spoke to me besides that bouquet and that cloche, which I have no idea where I'm putting. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, obviously hit that like button. If you are interested in seeing more videos like that from me, subscribe to my channel. I shop a lot and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys here. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.